What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete TapTap Send account. So, in order for you to delete your TapTap Send account here, you need to contact support. Now, how do you do that? So first things first, you want to open up the TapTap Send account here or your TapTap Send account and the app, and you want to go and click on the 3-bar icon at the top left of your screen. Now, in here, what we need to do is you want to go and look for the support option, usually underneath settings. And in here, what we need to do is you want to look for the contact us section. Usually it's going to be at the very bottom. So it's going to be next to need help with something else. Go ahead and press on the contact us link. Now from then on, it should redirect you to the support page, which should give you different options for contacting support. So you have the option for contacting support via email and also via a phone number. Now choose one that you want to use. So if you want to use email, go ahead and just press on the email option. Now, in here, it's going to ask you to describe your problem. Now, since we want to delete your TapTap Send account here, just make sure to mention that you need assistance on deleting your account. So, once you've done that, go and click on Submit here, and this will send your request to their support team. Now, just make sure to check your email address from time to time so that you know or you are updated if they actually responded to your request. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and resubscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.